Hello, my name is Eduardo Noel. This video is for week 3, exercise 1, exercise 1, direct and negative stains for bacterial morphology and staining technique. It is May 31st, 2020. This is for Bio 225. On my previous video for this exercise number 1, I was able to show you the results, the experiment itself, including the results of the experiment. I just want to add on to this video that my results were very successful. As you can see from the previous video, for this experiment, it showed the experiment step by step and the results of the outcome on the data itself. The data, what do you call that? Sorry. On the data table or graph from HOL, it shows you the pictures of the result I was able to receive. Sorry. What I've learned in life with this experiment, is almost related to the previous experiment I did for week 3, that there is bacteria in your mouth. No matter what you do, how often you wash it, clean it, and everything. But also remember, as much as you clean or wash it, there's always outcome to it. So everything we do, there's always a negative thing that would occur. So in regards of like mouthwash, because it has alcohol, sometimes the consequence of that, you might end up drinking it, because or especially with gurgle, you might swallow a few drops of it. So alcohol, you might consume a little bit of the alcohol, even though it kills the bacteria in your digestive system, you might consume it. So sometimes too much cleaning is bad for your teeth. By you're just rubbing on it, where it damages your gums too at the same time. So everything we do in life, whatever we do to ourselves, we gotta just be careful of it, because the more we do, the more harmful it does to our body. In this experiment, there wasn't that much errors that occurred in this experiment. I just followed it step by step. It took a while. This experiment itself just took a while, not knowing what's gonna happen. But it was actually real fun, where I was able to stain it, look through the microscope of it. I actually enjoyed it, and proceeding to what week 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8 has for me to come. But I did actually enjoy it. It's the lab, I think 5, I had more issues of than lab 4. Everything worked well on the bacterial morphology and staining techniques. Just the time, it consumed a lot of my time. I think for this experiment, it took me a few hours, because what error I made was, once I assembled the microscope, I didn't know inside the bag of the microscope there was a battery. I was about to email my professor, but it was late. It's like 2, 3 in the morning, and I was just trying to finish my experiment. So what I ended up going to Walgreens in the middle of the night, picking up some battery. And then once I finally packed up all my stuff, hey, look, battery popped out of nowhere. So that consumed a lot of my time, where I had to leave my house, find a battery. Hopefully the battery works, and not hoping to exchange it for something else. So next time I just have to pull out everything in there. Other than that, I mean, this experiment went pretty well for me. Thank you.